watching Life is Good. Come on now.
And on their light bar, that thing right there, man, is bright. I'd show you sometime in a big open field. That son of a gun's bright. What I need to do is I need to get a welder and tack weld these nuts. Keeps away from easily stealing it. What it is, I hid the wires all up inside the frame. And all up through here, see, I just went through each joist, because there's the factory wiring harnesses. I just went through each joist all the way down through here. I had a fish tape, so when I got up in there, man, I just ran it. You can't even see it, you know, it's totally gone, it's hidden. So yeah, run that wire all the way over each floor, each truss or joist, and then run my fish tape right here. See, there's that red wire. You can tell where I added it right here. So I just followed the factory lines down, and I went through this plate here all the way in, and then I wrapped the wire, which this is not the right way to do that. See, there's a so I just ran a one hot wire. I left it some slack to give it some room to move, but I followed the wire, the pigtail wire, all the way down. Now see, this truck has dual 7-ways, and I have a cord to go there, and I got another cord, but I don't have the box up here. So whenever I move all these air lines, because the plan is to get rid of all this right here, and all this will be cleaned up, and we'll go with an Iowa 80 deck plate in the frame rail with a recessed panel for the airline connectors with quick connects. We'll buy some curly cues, throw in a belly box, and so we'll do a power only. We'll be able to hook up to a regular trailer. What we're going to do is move all that stuff down here and then hook up right up in there, and then we're going to put a solid cover over that, because that's where I took the factory taillights out and used the wire for these. So all that'll be blanked out in stainless, a solid piece of stainless like this. And then I put a panel down here where this license plate is, and that's where the there'll be a 5-light. Iowa 80 makes the panel because they've got 5 lights in the bottom, and a recessed panel with dual electrical plugs and airline connectors, and that'll be right there, and that'll go right here, and then I just gotta get to the Great Dane dealer for that and have that done, and we'll have all it knocked off, and then we'll have our lights put on too. We got the light cradles right here in the side box. I think hang on, let's see if we can find it. I think it's still unlocked. No, it's locked. It's on the other side. So anyway, so we have our light cradles to go up there. So we're going to get 13 lights down the top rail, 13 lights on the bottom rail, then 7 lights across the nose rail, and then 7 across the rear. So we'll get it done one of these days. Don't know when. I lost my little lid to that. So don't need that thing anyway. I need to take it off, but it'd leave holes. Little holes there, you know. I don't need that thing. Don't need that sticker. Don't need any of them stickers. Alright, see ya.
When I'm not bike riding, I'm watching Life is Good.